What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time here. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother of 3 and also a makeup lover, obviously. Today I actually wanted to start getting into the Valentine's looks because Valentine's is very early on in February, and so I feel like if I were to wait till February to start doing Valentine's looks, then I would not get a couple of them up, you know. So today we have a Valentine's Day / date night look. Very, very super simple and easy full coverage makeup, which I will be doing with you guys on camera today. So my baby's upstairs, but my husband's with him, so it's okay. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump right on in. Starting off with my PLouise base in the shade Rumor Number 2 to prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna tap this all in. Okay, my palette of choice today is my PLouiseLoveTapes palette. Stay tuned because I'm saving up to buy her other palettes. I'm gonna start by going in with this shade right here called Spark. So I'm taking that shade on a Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna start. All my shadows, the way I'm gonna be building them is I'm gonna be building them at an angle and then filling it in lighter and lighter this way and out, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna keep this right in my inner corner. Just really blend and buff. I'm also going to be trying to take it a little bit under my eye, so that way when I connect the bottom, I already have like where I need to connect it to. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Passion. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to start blending this out with it. Next, I'm going to take the shade Smitten. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Urge on that same brush, but just dust it off. And I'm going to bring this the rest of the way in. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to deepen everything up because I want it to be just about this dark. But that is the general shape that we're going for. Next, I'm going to be taking my, let's see, what is this? This is the Hank & Henry Luster Dew Highlighter, and this one is in Sosa Rosa. And so these are too dark to be highlighters. I could probably get away with this pink one as a highlighter, but I don't think I would use it as a highlighter because I have other lighter highlighters because I'm so white. I'm just going to take this on my finger. And I'm just gonna tap that in. So that's just about it. Like literally this look was so quick, simple, and easy. So now let's jump right on into the face. pretty loud in my house, so I'm going to be talking a little bit loud. But I finished my face, finished this eye. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking Spark. And then I'm going to take Smitten. And blend that out. And then I'm going to take some of the Once Upon a Time highlighter and really brighten this inner corner. That's just about it for the eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes and apply my lippy, and we can come back and see the completed look. Alrighty, so here is the completed look. I just went ahead and I threw on my Milani, let's see, I threw on my Milani Spice lip liner and then just my caked, where is it? Half-caked theme song. This is the half-caked lipstick in the shade Theme Song, and then my Milani Spice lip liner. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.